Hello. So we can see Panta Rhei now today. First time when person logs into the system, this is the view he or she will get. So at one view, you can see the devices which are logged into the system, the alerts from the last 30 days, and the open incidents. From here, you can also see from where those alerts are emerge, and you can go deeper down into the rooms and even device level. Also, the basic service include device inventory. So from here, you can see list all of your devices, whether they are online, offline, basic information, MAC addresses, IP addresses, firmware version, serial numbers, warranty information, and you can scale it down and filter by the basic information. Then there's analytics, but I will skip that in this phase. Going further on, the environment is the bread and butter of Panta Rhei. So again, this could be like university, NTNU in this case. I open from here, and it would include all the campuses the university has listed over here. In this demo scenario, there is like 2 sites, and from here it comes to floor level. From here, from the floor level to room level, and this will open up the basic information from that dedicated spaces. The number here indicates how many AV devices are connected to this certain room. So in this case, the Rocky meeting room has 3 devices. There is a network switch, there is an amplifier, and there is a matrix. And the more interesting things comes when you go deep dive into the products. From here, you can, for example, see the network switch, important information, whether it is online or offline. In this case, it's online. And from here, you can also access into the device remote site. So it will open up the IP address from here. And it doesn't matter is it Kramer or is it someone else. So some network issues over here. Again. So and there are some device sensors from here. Alerts. This alert management. You can see the history of the devices, incident management. From here, you can do the firmware updates. Currently only Kramer, but in the following stages will also support the other brands. Some latest add-ons here you can find. If I take this one, you can find the projector information, lamp hour information, and now also the Teams room support will be included for Panta Rhei.
So also a Zoom room, or
sorry?
Also integration with the Zoom rooms?
Not at this phase, but on the roadmaps, I would say. On the roadmap, yeah. So I think in brief, that's what I can show you.
That's perfect, yeah.
Very good.
Let's stop this.